request again and again. I've been requesting from time to time, and you have done it. And now, also, I would like to place a request in front of you all. In future too, we need so many kinds of development, especially as you have been mentioned that you will try to approach even those tourism areas also, which we have a lot of tourist place, tourist spot, which we can promote it. So I would like to request, and I believe that through your help, we can promote this place where looking at this is really very beautiful. So, and one more request also, I would like to request Star Cement, maybe all the cement plant through you. If you can kindly make another one, which we can not in this, especially in the entrance of this Meghalaya, East Dainty Hills. So if you can kindly put it in your CSR or maybe in your where you can have one more, that people will come to know that this is the end or this is the start of the East Dainty Hills. So here I would like to add a few words, and maybe in Jatia. Dewa iku play people rock kiman be kiman pa. Sampai ong negas ni yo icham ini. Kamu do ong wehet sinong ong em kita kijing arketem jong pi. Mboy arketem pi. Kenito ongko wo ong ibu itu put usam yung boundary jong i. Andre kamu kelambian ki wehet persatu i. Kenito yo penyusup. At yo pentip cigi berula waki East Dainty henito ki area yung ka. Im yi chna yo ni upod mo kamong kamtam ya gani ga kilon lani ubu I hat how yung ga West Dainty Hills ni ba ile I wachna dani te da ubu I welcome to East Dainty Hills lari to ga West Dainty Hills wachna uto ki welcome to West Dainty Hills dani te da moy ab ganu jisnya but you put usam dadi bi klam wo is in charge ga ong pumbai no yung to put yung ga East Dainty wo ga West Dainty na wo pa ba yang kani ke East Dainty Hills like usa undong nini cikmat kemem kam kelami sibun keten ini ya sampai orang le citizen wo one hari ni sinong tahu ko meja ko ke konstitusi yang asdang de gini tahu ini kita sampai orang buat wa ila wo pemiat penpa ya gini ga district yang I dado gini ke entrance wo di top sia support yang ke East Dainty Hills sedang ga pemiat penpa ni ha jo onggi ladi miat daga luti mo go sia support ke expectation ni diberi nang hai ro em ha on di miat ha support na yo pemiat itu tu gini ke sistem pat tu support la pemiat I kam jo ini te dau wa ji krek lang yang piki pai pa upon walang dewe krek I sindongi risumari ya gani yo man go ne yo chukri la pat yo pun yo po yo pen kam tam ya gi pai pa go wan na gi wan gi sinong gi thau che gani ge thau ko yong I
kalau ketemu pile katai go em katai ko budur put East Hills or West Dainty Hills show up. They have tell you how big yang wa kani ga yo ya kaya ji yusuk liu welcome at sia ko sini. Kani to ka por tua sia sorong I kam ki wo pe yo pelai ke district sa komen sebut wadi yo pendep yo welcome at welcome at untuk yung distribution to yung statement dari yung district di Brakwi antam itri to di ber sosri inong pet yung new monument ini yung welcome at to di yung ber sosri asya to I kam ini jet jinsna nakapat ya kinong samsung ber wo pet wo yu bahaun bahawa au em gibru gua dosman untuk dan dangdek reklami uhe snong wa kita ki statue tau snai kinja grill so like to brew le dosman ki ile dosman I gani ga innovation wa dang em tai house ka jap kudap lo I de man tetap lo tai man motor le tetap I ya gani ga automat da islami de tau em gibru gua le tentu kami em safut kami tidak ikut ule smart di kita operation kerpat ini nong song ini kamsam ada emat di sama tu di situ ni road ini kalau nak mana sok tak